Previously, we copied files using Python. Now let's learn to rename them. This assumes that we already have the directories and files we'll be using in the tutorial. Let's import OS, get to the Documents folder. These are the contents right now. Let's rename the Pics folder to Pictures. Done. And let's rename Pictures to Sims. We cannot because we already have a folder called Sims in this directory. Okay, now let's get to Pictures. Count is 1 right now. For each file here, rename it to dog, count and .jpg. Then increment count by 1. So these pictures get renamed to dog1, dog2, dog3 and dog4. Now suppose we have the logo of Dataflare in Documents. For each file here, search for Dataflare logo.png. When you find it, rename it to dflogo. Let's try renaming multiple images. Count is 1 and total is 4. We have 4 images of dogs. Now until count is 4, if the name is dog4, make it dog5. If it is dog3, make it dog4. And so on. This way it increases each number by 1.